In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Hootsuite, from sign up to scheduling. First, open Hootsuite and either sign up or log in. If you're new, create an account with a work email you can access easily. You may be prompted to verify your email, so keep that tab handy. If you already have an account, just log in and you'll land on your dashboard. Choose a strong password and keep your credentials secure, especially if multiple people use your computer. Next, choose your plan or start a trial. Hootsuite offers different tiers based on how many social profiles and users you need. If you're just exploring, a trial is a great low-risk way to see which features matter most, like how many posts you can schedule or whether you need approvals. You can always upgrade or adjust later, so pick what fits your current workflow rather than guessing far ahead. Now, connect your social media accounts. Hootsuite will guide you to authorize each network so it can publish posts and pull data. Make sure you're logged into the right profiles in your browser and that you have the necessary admin or page roles. If something doesn't connect, double check permissions on the native platform and try again. You can add or remove profiles anytime as your needs change. If you collaborate with others, set up your organization, team, or workspace. This keeps profiles, permissions, and approvals clean and secure. Create an organization name, invite teammates with their work emails, and assign access by role so people only see what they need. If you're working solo, you can keep the default workspace and move on. Let's create your first post or schedule. Open the composer, select the social accounts you want to publish to, and write your message. Tailor the copy per network if needed, and add images or videos that meet each platform's size guidelines. Add alt text for accessibility where available. When you're ready, choose to post now or pick a date and time on the calendar. If your plan supports it, check recommended times to maximize engagement. For teams, send the post for approval before scheduling to keep quality consistent. Finally, add streams and analytics reports to monitor your accounts. In streams, create columns for timelines, mentions, messages, and keyword searches so you can track conversations and respond quickly. Organize streams into tabs by client, campaign, or network for clarity. Then open analytics to view performance dashboards. Select a report template, set a date range, and customize metrics like reach, clicks, or engagement. Save the reports you'll use often and schedule them to be emailed to stakeholders if needed. That's it. Your Hootsuite setup is complete and ready to manage content with confidence.